Hello students, welcome to next second tutorial of how to create tables in HTML. In first tutorial we know we are doing this page. I'm only changing the data of this table like this. In this tutorial we see how to create or how to merge two columns or two rows. Then I'm creating some more columns here like first name and actually I want here full name. Then here I am creating two I am adding one more column after the name, which is surname. As we see here, at each row I am adding one more cell after the name. As surname I am giving here. In my data rows there are five columns, but in header we know there are only 4 columns. Now I am running this. We see here one column header is missing here. Now I want this full name for these two columns, means I want to merge these two columns and give the header like full name. Then if I merge these two columns, then course automatically goes to here and fees automatically goes to here. So how we can do this? I repeat once again what I want. This is the first name, this is the surname or last name data. In all these columns there are first names, in all this column there are surnames, and I want this full name header in this area. Means I want to merge these two columns and say the header full name. So I want full name in two columns by merging two columns. So find out where is the full name. Here is the full name, and I want this full name data by merging two columns. So we use, for merging columns we use col span. How many columns we want to merge? Give here. Here in this example we want two column merging, so I am giving here 2, and then we run this. So this is the col span effect, means I am merging two columns here, so that automatically course will go to the next column and fees goes to the next column. So this is col span effect. Then we see how rows we can merge. So in this, as you see here, this is the BCA, here MCA. So in this example we merge these two rows and these two rows. Here MBA record is only one, so I am not merging this, but I want to merge this MCA in by merging two rows and this BCA data in by using row span or row merging. So where is this BCA? Find out in which TD there is BCA. I want only one BCA and I don't want this another BCA. So I'm cutting or deleting this BCA, and here only one BCA, and I need to write a row span property here, and here again I want to merge two rows, so I'm doing like this. So this is the row merge effect. Means I don't want this MCA two times. I want BCA. I don't want double time, only one time I want BCA here by merging two rows. So this is the row merge effect and this is the column merge effect. Again we do row merge for this MCA. I want one MCA only and I don't want this MCA, so one I will delete. First MCA I want, but this TD I don't want because I merged this TD. Row span is equal to here again 2. So this is the row merge effect and this is the column merge effect. So in this tutorial we see how we can merge two rows or two columns. Also I am adding one more row, TIA end, and if I want only two columns like total fees, this is just one example, total fees, and if I add all these fees, then if there is some 2,40,000 amount is there. Suppose I am not calculating, but you suppose it, and if we run, then it looks like this. But I want total fees from this column to this column and this fees into this column. So how can we do this? This column moves towards this fees, under this fee, and means actually this cell moves towards under fees column, and total fees I want from first column to fourth column. So I want to merge total fees column, so I need to give here col span. How many columns we want to merge? 4. So this is the effect. Then again I want this, I want to highlight this. So instead of using TD, we may use TH here for highlighting purpose, and this is again TH. By default the alignment is center. If we want to right align, then we give property align, and the values are left, right, center. I want here right. By default it is center, and this is actually I want. So here we see how to merge columns by using these two examples, then how to merge rows by using these two examples. So whenever you want to merge columns or rows, you need to use this row span and col span. So in this video we see here row merging and column merging. In next video we will see how to give CSS effects, means design effects to this table. You may see this tutorial, means CSS tutorial, inside CSS playlist. Thank you.